At 𝘔𝘰𝘪, we collaborate with selected early adopter cities, EAC, to promote urban timber construction. Together with each EAC and their local key stakeholders, we will organize a series of city-centric workshops aimed at supporting the sustainable building sector. We conducted in-depth research about each city and distributed questionnaires for local opinions in order to understand the current local needs and potential for action and partnership. In the first workshop, we will jointly discuss these findings. In the second workshop, we will implement the 𝘔𝘰𝘪 outputs to develop scenarios in which timber construction improves the housing situation and reduces human impact on the environment. We will use the third and final workshop to translate our results into best practices, strategic policy options and out-of-the-box solutions which can be embedded in the city's sustainable development or climate strategy. In this process, we will lay the foundations for urban timber solutions to conquer our everyday lives. This way, we'll make our cities both more sustainable and more livable places.